Cheryl Ann Wadlington, the Style Director of EveloreConsultants.com. We're here today at Charlie's Jeans in Philadelphia, and we're going to be talking about how to wear gray jeans with orange. When you're talking about what looks great with a pair of gray jeans, we have some great ideas for you. We're going to start with some fabulous skinny jeans from SebastianMcCallJeans.com. You can take a beautiful orange shirt like this with a racerback tee underneath and a little hoodie. And this is a perfect relaxed casual look for spring. You can even go for a preppy look like this one. You can take a beautiful sweater just like this. And it doesn't have to be orange. It can have a little coral in it like this one. And this is just the perfect ensemble for work, a wear to work look, or even just going out for a Saturday with the girls. It doesn't have to be like the perfect orange. It can be shades of orange, like this beautiful peach color. And then you can go a little bohemian chic with it. This would work great for a nice, relaxed, casual day look, but then for evening, you can take and add like a beautiful jeweled sandal and just spice up this beautiful gray jean. I'm Cheryl Ann Wadlington from EveloreConsultants.com, and those were just a few ways you can wear gray jeans with the color orange.